So how do you see the future of AI and crypto and blockchain together?
Oh, that's AI. I love it. I love this question. It's another huge topic, and I can be excited about talking about this, but I'll try to get straight to the point. So
Be excited. I like that.
Yeah. So basically, AI is something that can break this fragile trust of the governments and of the people. So when the AI is fully in force, governments will not be needed as such. However, the only way AI can operate as the new way of life, if you will, right? If you would like to consider it like this, or as a new way of the consciousness, the only way how it can operate is only through the blockchain. There is no other way, because AI to operate needs just one thing, right? It needs computer power. And in order to procure this computer power, it needs the payment. And basically, AI cannot open the bank account, right? Because it will not pass the KYC. The only way for AI to buy this life power, which is a computer power, is through the blockchain. So there was one interesting.
Can you expand a little bit, because it was very interesting thought. So you said, can you repeat from the beginning? So you brought up the words consciousness, blockchain, and AI in one sentence.
Yeah.
Can you break it down a little bit more?
I'll give you an example, right? So there was a task to AI that says, take $1,000 and earn 1 million on Amazon. And AI can easily evaluate what's interesting to the users of Amazon, where these goods can be produced, how to find the producer in China of these goods, how to contract, how to arrange the logistics, how to sell it in the Amazon, and how earn from $1,000, $1 million. AI can do all of this without human interactions, except of one thing. It cannot open a banking account. Because banking account is only available for either an individual person or the company created by this individual person. So AI cannot open the banking account. But if you can imagine the same business model of AI, and let's say the AI will want to do something. Let's say it's AI who is making the podcasts with some interesting guests. So this AI, the only option for this AI to operate would be to charge these guests or the viewers, depends on the business model, in blockchain, and for this blockchain buy computing power to develop itself. And the only way to do it is through the blockchain. There is no other way for AI to be developed except of getting this life power, computer power, through the blockchain financial system.
And the reality is getting even more weirder for me right now. So, yeah.
We all need to be careful.
Yeah. So, okay, I will go in that direction. So listen to me carefully. So, of course, the left, United States, like Elon calls it, the woke mind virus. So we are even right now we are even thinking about the most fundamental human ideas or facts. What is a man? What is a woman? Things like that. So when you told me AI, consciousness, and blockchain, the first question that popped into my mind after that was, if we are thinking about what is a woman or man, I suppose that the next question would be, in the context of AI, what is a person?
Absolutely. Absolutely. You know what Turing test is, right?
Turing test.
Yeah.
To know if you're a computer or...
It's how to differentiate a computer from something else. So if you're talking to this, and you can say that you're talking to computer, that's why it hasn't passed the test. But if you are talking to this instance, and you cannot say that you are not talking to the person, that means that this test is passed and it's not a computer anymore.
So can AI pass the Turing test?
Yes, I think so, yes.
So is it a person?
Well, that's something that we need to define together with all the mankind, right? How to treat this new instance, this new creation.
So I suppose then in the future AI could go through know your customer regulation.
Yeah, so that's why AI doesn't need it, right? Because there is other ways like blockchain to do it.
So what interesting, I suppose when I saw that your eyes light up a little bit when we started talking about AI. So how hands-on are you on AI, and how do you use it in everyday life?
You mean Binance?
You and Binance, yeah.
No, I'm more. I'm not in any source of the scientist. I'm just a concerned citizen, you know. I'm just using the ChatGPT. That's it. And at Binance, we are also having our version of the AI for the everyday needs. It helps a lot our marketing teams, our CS team, our transactional monitoring teams. So they are using a lot of AI. So we also see that there is a huge interest to the AI Web3 projects. There is, well, overall, last year, why I'm so excited, because that's the next big thing, right? It will change our world and our lives very, very soon. But just in terms of numbers, just last year, more than $100 billion was invested in the AI-related projects, not the blockchain, but just funded. And we see the same trend in the crypto. So all the AI-related token, they were growing through the bear market, and they continue to growing right now. So there's like an overall trend that's happening right now.